What's up, you guys? We was able to have our tech replace a 2007 Porsche key fob button from one to another. It turned out to be a success. We thought we'd share it with you all. We do replace different things on different devices. Feel free to contact us if you have something maybe that you would like to have replaced. And you can do that at usecellphoneparts@gmail.com. So this part of the video wasn't made of the best of quality, but it will give you an idea of the procedure that was done to replacing the button. And there you have it, folks. Until next time, you guys have a blessed day.